Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Algorand or Algo. Algo is currently at the $0.183 level. We are currently ranked at 53 with a market cap of about $1.47 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $47 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Algorand right here on the channel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 24 hours, we have seen the price of Algorand push up a whopping 3.924%, right? And even though that is not big enough right there for Algorand, I would be showing you more reasons why we could see some sort of massive pump right here for Algorand going forward. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Algorand versus the USD dollars on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And so right here for Algorand, the first thing we could see right here is down the daily time frame. We are seeing this massive bullish divergence. The first time we saw our bullish EMA or our trending EMA push above the macro EMA. The macro EMA is this purple EMA right here. We saw our trending EMAs push above, and we saw this sort of massive pump right here for Algorand of about 150%, right? As you can see, we flipped bearish right here on our EMAs, and we saw this sort of correction went exactly to the bull market EMA and found support. As you can see, we found support for several days right here on the bull market EMA, and as you can see, currently we have flipped bullish, right? This is the first time we have flipped bullish, and we have pushed above the macro EMA. The last time we did this, as you can see, the price, as you can see, the macro EMA came above, or the trending EMAs came above the macro EMA. We saw a massive push of about 150% right here for Algorand, right? We are seeing another massive sign of that coming soon. So minimum we should be expecting is to see Algorand at around that 28 cents level. That could mean we could see that massive push for Algorand of about 55% minimum 55%, right? But if we do the same thing, we should expect higher right there even for Algorand, right? Another reason we should be expecting another massive pump right here for Algorand basically is the volume profile. On the volume profile, we are still seeing currently right here on the daily time frame massive bullish divergence. The last time we saw this sort of massive bullish divergences was right there in October, where we saw that sort of 150% pump right here for Algorand. We are seeing another bigger massive bullish divergence forming right here for Algorand, which means we should expect a massive pump coming in right here for Algorand, right? So Algorand is about to see another massive push to the upside right here for Algorand, right? So that's the update right here on Algorand. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.